I'm Nate Eaton at the Bonneville County Sheriff's Office in Idaho Falls, and joining me now is Sergeant Bryan Lovell. He's the Public Information Officer with the Sheriff's Office. Sergeant, first of all, what's the latest information on the search for Jeremy White?
Well, right now, his whereabouts and Miss Aday that we believe is traveling with him, her whereabouts is unknown at this time. So we've put out the information, the vehicle that we believe they're in or was last seen in, and the license plate on that would be the silver Jeep Cherokee. We're asking anyone that may have seen them or may have information about them to contact us. Either we have a tip line set up, we also have our dispatch number, and also our Crime Stoppers webpage and our Facebook page. We've been getting tips throughout the last few days since this incident occurred, and our detectives are analyzing that information and kind of going through that. But their whereabouts are currently unknown, and so we're still seeking the public's help with tips and information that may lead us to where they're at.
I guess you don't have any idea if they're still in Idaho.
That we do not know. They could be out of state. It's unknown at this time.
Do you believe that they are still together and still alive?
That information we don't know. We believe that when they were last seen or left the Idaho Falls area, that they were together and in that Jeep Cherokee. Beyond that, what's happened since then, we don't have a lot of information on.
The sheriff announced on Friday that an autopsy was being conducted on Miss Caldwell. Did you have any the results of that as far as how she died?
I think that's been in progress since over the weekend. Some of that's been done. I think they're awaiting toxicology and the normal things that come with an autopsy to get a finalization on what they believe was the cause of death and things like that. So that stuff is all pending at this time. We're waiting for it and working with the coroner and the people that did the autopsy and all that.
One of the things that the sheriff also emphasized was that Mr. White is to be considered armed and dangerous, that he doesn't want people approaching them.
Correct. We believe he's armed and dangerous at this time, and the welfare of Miss Aday, we don't know the status of that, so we believe her to be endangered at this time. So we would stress that anybody that sees them, they should call their local law enforcement immediately and not approach them. We don't want anybody else getting hurt or anything like that. So 911 or a call to their local law enforcement to react to whatever sighting or wherever they're at would be the appropriate thing to do to make sure we keep other people safe.
Have law enforcement across the country been notified about the situation?
Yeah, we've put some of that information out over the weekend and through the fusion centers and various outlets, and we're working on putting that out even some more, even to media across the country and things like that as well.
Well, we'll be sure to include the number, the tip line, as far as if anybody sees Mr. Wyatt as well as Miss Aday. And any information, of course, you can call the number that is on your screen, and we will continue to bring you updates here on EastIdahoNews.com from the Bonneville County Sheriff's Office. For now, I'm Nate Eaton reporting in Idaho Falls.